were out on the Lower American River, which is the body of water that our organization, the Water Forum, stewards. But we were out there collecting otoliths from the carcasses. Otoliths are ear bones in salmon. We have them too. You can read the fish's life history. You can see how old it is. You can read its otolith like the rings of a tree. So it's pretty neat. Yeah. And it's pretty gritty work, which I ended up loving. I think we had a really good time out there, like also ripping open fish chests and pulling out hearts to get genetic samples. Yeah, it was pretty thrilling. Doing that hands-on work, even though I was like touching these like dead fish bodies, it gave me like this connection with this other organism, thinking about my own life and like, yeah, how hard it is to just find a place to spawn. Like these fish, like it was cool to see like, oh, you succeeded. Like you have no eggs in your body. You successfully found a patch of gravel that was good enough to spawn in, which is a feat. So these fish are survivors, and I felt a connection with them at this point in history. Like we should all feel some sense of camaraderie. We're all survivors.
I think that historically, science has been kind of esoteric and disengaged with the wide public, and I think it's caused a lot of problems with just a lack of understanding and a lack of trying to share the knowledge. And so I want to incorporate, education into what I do, or just really being intentional about communicating science with whoever I interact with. It's not just for old white guys in white coats to like understand. It's for everyone, and we need to have that connection and kind of break away that fear of it.
I guess I value how like resilient you are. Like I value those moments where like we're both really frustrated about something. Like we see something that's wrong and we're both like, no. Like I appreciate how like powerful you are and smart and resilient.
Yeah. I think what I appreciate about you is just how well you see the world. You're really always very observant and watching. We really rely on collective power. An individual isn't going to save the planet. It's going to be all of us. There's totally strength in numbers. Thanks for the conversation, Kat.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Cassie, for talking with me and being my friend and co-fellow. My fellow.
Yeah, thanks for being my fellow.